Welcome back to our series on Operations Management for VCE Business Management, Unit 3. In this video, we are going to focus on the operations system, the three core elements that make up every operations process: inputs, processes, and outputs. These three elements form the foundation of everything a business does to create value for its customers. Whether a business is making shoes, streaming music, or delivering legal advice, this system is always in play. Let's break each part down and see how they connect. Section 1. What is an operations system? An operations system is the structure a business uses to produce its goods or services. It's made up of inputs, processes, and outputs, and it's at the very heart of operations management. Think of it like a production pipeline. Inputs go in, value is added through processes, and the final product, or service, comes out the other end. Let's take a closer look at each stage. Section 2. Inputs. Inputs are the resources used in the production of goods or services. They include things like raw materials, ingredients, components, parts, capital equipment, machinery, tools, buildings, labor, employees or contractors, time, production timelines, scheduling, information, market data, technical knowledge, demand forecasts. For example, in a bakery, inputs would include flour, sugar, ovens, bakers, and the recipes. In a law firm, the inputs might be laptops, legal databases, office space, and of course, legal professionals. Operations managers must manage inputs carefully to ensure they are used efficiently and are of the right quality. Section 3. Processes. Processes, also called transformation processes, are the actions taken to convert inputs into outputs. This stage is where value is added. In a manufacturing business, it could involve assembly lines, packaging, or quality checks. In a service business, it might involve consultations, decision-making, or communication with clients. Here's the key: the nature of the processes depends on the business type. A clothing manufacturer might have cutting and sewing processes. A physiotherapist might have client assessments, treatments, and follow-up sessions. Operations managers work to ensure these processes are efficient, minimize waste, and meet quality standards. Section 4. Outputs. Outputs are the final goods or services delivered to the customer. They should meet the expectations of customers in terms of quality, reliability, and value. If not, it reflects poorly on the business and may hurt its chances of achieving its objectives. In a manufacturing business, outputs are tangible, like a pair of shoes, a laptop, or a tub of yogurt. In a service business, outputs are intangible, like a haircut, a tax return, or tutoring. It's important that businesses monitor their outputs, for example, using customer feedback or reviews, to improve performance and customer satisfaction over time. Section 5. Example: connecting the system. Let's apply this system to a real-world example, say, a local gym. Inputs: gym equipment, electricity, trainers, fitness programs, booking software. Processes: personalized training sessions, class delivery, cleaning and safety checks. Outputs: a delivered service, in this case, improved fitness, customer satisfaction, and the client's overall experience. Even though nothing tangible is being manufactured, the gym still relies on a clear and well-managed operations system. Section 6. Why it matters. Understanding the operations system helps businesses identify where improvements can be made. If the quality of inputs is poor, the process might suffer. If the process is inefficient, the output may be delayed. And if the output doesn't meet expectations, the business could lose customers. That's why operations managers need to monitor each stage closely, and why exam questions often ask you to analyze how inputs, processes, and outputs interact to support business objectives. So, to summarize, the operations system is made up of inputs, processes, and outputs. Inputs are resources, processes are the transformation activities, and outputs are the final products or services. This system exists in every business, and managing it well is essential for productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction. In the next video, we'll look at how businesses measure and improve efficiency and effectiveness within their operations systems, and why getting that balance right is critical to success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for study notes and practice questions to help lock in your understanding.